You see that dirt-like trail along the kitchen wall? Come, look at this mold. And the bathroom wall is sweating.
But didn't we just have pest control here last month? Drilling the whole house?
That's surface work. Call Carry Pest for sonar check now. The L5000 acoustic detection system pinpoints hidden leaks behind walls and under floors. Non-invasive. No more drilling guesswork. Call Carry Pest at 876-592-3988. That's 876-592-3988. Carry Pest Limited. Protecting what matters.
Recording artist Diani is in the clubhouse to talk to us about his debut album, Live Life and Prosper, which dropped on August 21, and we're getting all the juicy details behind the project. Welcome, Diani, LLAP in the building.
Hey, wagwan.
Good?
I'm blessed.
Now, we're kicking things off with an icebreaker, right? So would you rather your partner have access to all your social media platform and instant messaging for a day, or never be able to sing again?
Me? Not sing again? Take my social media, man.
And the instant messaging.
Instagram,
everything, man.
iMessage, everything.
Hey, man.
Okay, perfect.
All right. So, congratulations, Diani, on the release of the brand new album. I mean, we've been seeing it online, all over the place. We've been hearing the songs, and it's actually currently number 3 on the iTunes reggae charts.
Yes.
So we need to make some noise for Diani for that, right? Yeah. Right. So the title of the project. The title of the project is Live Life and Prosper.
Yeah.
How did you arrive at that title?
Essentially, it's my lifestyle. It's my I call it, how I function day to day. My mantra. Ultimately, I try to be prosperous in spirituality, mentality, physicality, emotional, all aspects of my life. So ultimately, just prosperity in all aspects. And that's how, the concept was created. And, Remus was the one that coined it for the album. Seeing that, it's my brand itself. Okay. It was only fitting, especially with the type of songs that are on the project itself. So it was only fitting.
Okay.
Lovely. So you said the album is a product of love, and that you've experienced so many different aspects of love. Yeah, would you say this project is your way of channeling different versions of love that you've experienced?
Yeah, love, life, motivation, gratitude, and all different aspects of my experiences of life. Yeah, so ultimately it's just, as I said, music for me is like my diary. It's my way of expression. I don't really talk to people. You know me already, personally. I don't really have that much social cues or social interaction. So this is my way of expressing myself, and it's art. And it's no barriers, no barriers in terms of the way I express myself. And this is like the best way I use, or the best medium I use to express myself.
Okay. Lovely. Which track on the project would you say is the most personal one to you, and why?
All of them. But if I should say which track is my most personal, I would say God Has Been Too Good or Jah Has Been Too Good.
Okay, why?
For me, it's just basically a prayer. A prayer of my appreciation, a prayer of my gratitude for all that I've been through, all that He has blessed me to accomplish in my short, tenure as a musician thus far. And I'm super grateful for not only the ability to do music, but the offerings to be able to do music on such a wide scale, not only just locally, but regionally and internationally. So that's beyond blessing for me, and I'm just grateful, and that's my prayer in music.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Gotcha.
Well, there is a Miss You Bad where you say, hooked on your loving, can't tell if it's real. Yeah. Trying to fight all the demons I see. Can you look to the camera and tell Jamaican men why is it important? Yeah, this one. Tell Jamaican men, why is it important for men to be loyal?
Why is it important for men to be loyal?
Diana, answer the question.
Come on, but you said, are you singing it? You say, hooked on your loving, can't tell if it's real, trying to fight all the demons I see. Yeah.
Was that track about loyalty first? Let us begin there. Was the track about loyalty? Miss You Bad.
It was yes and no, because it's almost like a different experience because the person is not there. It's almost like a memory that has passed.
Yes.
And then you're just being expressive of that memory. But yeah, loyalty is always a good thing, and I'm always supportive of loyalty at the end of the day. whether it be a relationship or whether it be personal, whether it be friendship, nonetheless. You know, we always promoting loyalty, nonetheless. So yeah, that's my answer to that question.
Okay, you're not telling the Jamaican men why they should be loyal, but yeah, answer the question.
Yes.
Indirectly. Yeah, understood.
All right, so let's talk about the other track now, Dutch Pot. Which one, which is one of your favorite tracks on the project? The lyrics say, tell me what you want, tell me what you need, tell me if I'm good enough, right? So we're going to ask you again to probably look into the camera, that one.
Yeah. Not me then, hot seat.
Tell the Jamaican female, tell Jamaica. What kind of, hold on, man, what kind of setup this?
No.
That's why I was
Tell
like,
Jamaica, the female, you are declaring your love for with this track.
Tell Jamaica. Say that again.
No, I have to tell the world because remember they're watching us on one spot.
Yeah, say that. So repeat that question then.
You know, so we don't want to repeat it. Because you look like him don't want to hear it.
No, man, listen.
Okay, were you expressing your love for a special female on this track?
At this time, yeah.
At this
Definitely.
time?
At that time, yeah.
Can you declare her?
This song was like about...
Are you in a position to declare her or at that time you would have been?
At that time, yeah, but that was
no.
like a past relationship.
Oh, okay, all right. So you can't declare her,
that was
right?
a past relationship.
Diani, you know, so you should pay me to advocate for you.
I appreciate it. But yeah, big up anyway, you know, I wish her all the best.
Okay.
Yeah, but this song was like about 10 years old, to be honest.
Okay.
You know, so that was like a relationship from like when I was in college.
But it seems like you have been working on this project for quite some time because if that song was created
about 10 years ago.
About 10 years ago.
Yes and no. I say that because obviously we're musicians, so we've been doing music and we have back catalogue of songs already recorded. So, you know, we have songs in the world that, you know, this probably fit the project for this, you know. And some songs on this project, as I said earlier, were almost 10 to 8 years old, and, you know, Remus was the one that really, you know, revamped the musicality of it and the instrumentals of the project itself. So, yeah, as I said, the project ultimately is about 10 years old, but actively done was about 3 years.
Okay, gotcha.
So you worked with Remus and you also worked with Sean Nizzle on The Little Things. Was it always your intention to keep the features to a minimum, or were there other collaborations that just didn't make the final cut? Yeah,
ultimately my intention was to keep the project on a minimum. Obviously, for business reasons, because obviously the more business people involved, it's more difficult in terms of negotiations as well, but also chemistry as well. So we said that for say, yeah, it was intentional, and the intention worked out in my favor because, you know, the project was done, and I'm really grateful for Remus and the musicians and all persons involved with the project, especially, you know, Lizzie Records, big them up. They are the people who powered the project as well. XTM Nation, you know, so big them up, and, you know, we're really grateful for all the persons involved and the support we've been getting, as I said, with the number 3, and I'm really proud of the project. My first debut project, so, you know, give me a round of applause, please.
Yeah.
And thank you.
Yeah. And we have giveaways for our live studio audience. So the first question is, what is the name of the album? Anybody can put up their hand? Yeah, this is the giveaway, guys. What's the name of the album? Who put it up first? Oh, you have the microphone? Okay.
Is it Love, Life and Prosper?
Nah, not it, but close though.
What you say? No, close. Who else have it? You have it? Yeah, okay. Can you get the microphone here?
No,
she had it.
Okay.
The name of the album is Live, Life and Prosper.
Live Life and Prosper, yes.
Good try.
All right, so the next question is, how many collabs are on the project? No.
Sorry.
No, we just spoke about it a while ago. Literally just spoke about it a while ago.
No.
No, don't watch my finger. You have to watch the finger.
Was it 3?
No. Let me hear you.
0, I don't think any. Just
No collaboration. And even though he didn't tell us which track is most personal.
Yeah, I did.
He did. All right, yeah, he did initially. All right, so which track on the project is most personal to Diani? Just raise your hands.
Dutch Pot?
No.
I know she was going to say that.
But we'll work with that still.
You'll work with that?
God bless.
On a school,
God bless.
God
She's
bless.
close.
Yes, cool. That's it.
God.
That one would be
has been. Yeah,
Jah has
with
been.
that one.
We're gonna work with that question, that answer. All right, guys, give yourselves a round of applause. Before we go quickly, Diani, how can we find you on social media? How can we support the project? How can we stream it, download it, all that jazz?
All right, so it's on all digital platforms, and you can find me on all social media platforms at TRULYDYANI. Truly Diani, everywhere,
All right, guys. Thank you, Diani, for stopping by. We got more excitement coming your way right after the break. Don't go anywhere.
See that dirt-like trail along the kitchen wall? Come, look at this mold. And the bathroom wall is sweating.
But didn't we just have pest control here last month? Drilling the whole house?
That's surface work. Call Carry Pest for sonar check now. The L5000 acoustic detection system pinpoints hidden leaks behind walls and under floors. Non-invasive. No more drilling guesswork. Call Carry Pest at 876-592-3988. That's 876-592-3988. Carry Pest Limited. Protecting what matters.